This video guitar lesson is how to play the minor pentatonic scale on the guitar, and also how to play the blues scale, which is very similar. Here's how to play the minor pentatonic scale in the key of A. Put your first finger on the 5th fret of the low E string. Then put your pinky on the 8th fret of the low E string. So you can think of it as index, pinky. Then on the A string, put your index finger on the 5th fret. Then put your ring finger on the 7th fret. Next, put your first finger, your index finger, on the 5th fret of the D string. Then put your ring finger on the 7th fret. So all together. To keep going, you put your first finger, index finger, on the 5th fret of the G string. Ring finger on the 7th fret of the G string. Index finger on the 5th fret of the B string. Pinky on the 8th fret of the B string. Then index finger on the 5th fret of the high E string. And if you want, you can even keep going by putting your pinky on the 8th fret. So all together. Another thing I like to do is what's called the blues scale, which is the same thing, just adding one more note, and here it is. So this is the additional note right here. So that's using your second finger, your middle finger, on the 6th fret of the A string, right there. So once again. And then to keep going, you add the note again over here like this. Right here. So that's the 8th fret of the G string. And you use your pinky for that. Once again. Here's an example of how to use these scales. So I wanted to keep that as basic as possible, but now I'm going to play that again with some vibrato, some bends, some hammer-ons, some pinch harmonics, and who knows what else till we do it. Let's have some fun. hope you got something out of this video. If you did, please let me know in the comments, or if you have any questions, I'd be happy to hear from you. And I actually like hearing from you. Please don't be silent. Please put a comment and a like and subscribe and all that kind of stuff. I appreciate you. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just search Guitar Increase. My name is Brett. Thank you so much for supporting my YouTube channel.